1. The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham is hailed as the cornerstone of financial wisdom for its emphasis on value investing and the principle of margin of safety. Graham, often referred to as the father of value investing, offers timeless advice on how to achieve sustainable financial success by being disciplined, patient, and focused on long-term investment goals rather than short-term market trends. The book distinguishes between the investor and the speculator, urging readers to adopt the former's mindset by conducting thorough analysis, seeking investments that offer good value, and maintaining a diversified portfolio. Graham also introduces the concept of Mr. Market as a metaphor for the stock market's volatile nature, teaching investors to remain rational and not be swayed by market fluctuations. The central takeaway is the importance of a disciplined investment strategy, focusing on fundamental analysis and the wisdom of investing with a safety margin to protect against uncertainties. Graham's philosophy underscores the power of compounding interest and regular, disciplined savings as key components in building long-term wealth. 2. One Up on Wall Street by Peter Lynch. The book demystifies the complex world of stock investing, presenting a compelling case for leveraging personal knowledge to uncover investment gems. Lynch, celebrated for his unparalleled success as a mutual fund manager, introduces readers to his philosophy of invest in what you know, suggesting that ordinary investors can outperform Wall Street experts by focusing on companies and industries they understand from their everyday experiences. The book is peppered with enlightening case studies and practical advice, showcasing how Lynch's approach can be applied to identify promising stocks before they catch the attention of the broader market. He emphasizes the importance of observing consumer behavior, trends, and products in one's daily life as a critical tool for stock selection. Lynch advocates for a hands-on, research-driven approach, encouraging investors to study financial statements and earnings reports, but also to trust their instincts about what makes a company special. The key takeaway is that by investing in familiar territories and doing diligent homework, individual investors possess a unique advantage in identifying undervalued stocks capable of delivering significant returns. Lynch's strategy champions the notion that successful investing doesn't necessarily require insider information or a finance degree, but rather an attentive and curious mind. 3. How to Own the World by Andrew Craig. Andrew Craig's How to Own the World is an engaging guide that illustrates the importance of a diversified investment strategy in achieving financial independence. Craig argues that most people can significantly improve their financial situation by taking a holistic approach to managing their money, which includes investments in stocks, bonds, commodities, real estate, and even cryptocurrencies. He demystifies financial markets and investment strategies, making them accessible to the average person. Craig stresses the importance of understanding the basics of finance, such as the effects of inflation and the power of compound interest, to make informed decisions. The book also highlights the role of technological advancements and globalization in creating new investment opportunities. By educating readers on how to own the world, Craig encourages a proactive approach to investment, advocating for self-education and the use of diversified assets to protect and grow wealth. The key takeaway is that by broadening one's investment horizon and continuously learning, individuals can significantly impact their financial future, reducing reliance on any single economy or asset class. 4. A Random Walk Down Wall Street by Burton G. Malkiel. Burton G. Malkiel's A Random Walk Down Wall Street presents a comprehensive overview of investment strategies, debunking popular myths about stock market success and advocating for the efficiency of markets. Malkiel argues that asset prices typically reflect all known information and that beating the market through short-term trading is unlikely. Instead, he champions a buy and hold strategy, emphasizing the benefits of index funds which replicate market indices, offering diversification and lower costs than actively managed funds. Malkiel's analysis covers a wide range of investment vehicles, from stocks and bonds to real estate investment trusts and tangible assets like gold. He provides practical advice for investors at different life stages, advocating for a tailored investment approach that evolves with an individual's financial goals and risk tolerance. The book is a compelling argument for the efficiency of markets and the difficulty of consistently outperforming them. The primary takeaway is the recommendation for passive investing as a more reliable method for long-term wealth creation, encouraging investors to focus on asset allocation, diversification, and patience rather than attempting to time the market or pick individual winners. 5. The Essays of Warren Buffett by Warren Buffett and Lawrence A. Cunningham. The Essays of Warren Buffett, curated by Lawrence A. Cunningham, distills the wisdom of one of the world's most successful investors into a series of engaging and insightful essays. These writings cover Buffett's perspective on investment philosophy, corporate governance, finance, investing, alternatives to common stock, mergers and acquisitions, accounting and valuation, and tax matters. Buffett's approach is characterized by his focus on investing in well-managed, high-quality companies at reasonable prices and holding these investments for the long term. He emphasizes the importance of understanding a company's intrinsic value, its competitive advantages, or moats, and the significance of its leadership and corporate culture. Buffett also discusses broader economic principles, the psychology of investing, and the importance of ethical business practices. The collection provides a clear insight into Buffett's strategies for successful investing, including his criteria for selecting stocks and businesses to invest in, the role of market discipline, and the avoidance of debt. The main takeaway from these essays is the value of a disciplined, principled approach to investing and management, focusing on long-term value creation rather than short-term market fluctuations. 6. Common Stocks and Uncommon Profits by Philip A. Fisher. Philip A. Fisher's Common Stocks and Uncommon Profits is a landmark book that shifts the focus from purely quantitative analysis of financial statements to evaluating the qualitative aspects of a company. Fisher introduces the concept of scuttlebutt, a method of gathering information about a company's operations, management, and competitive position by talking to suppliers, customers, and employees. He outlines 15 points to look for in a good investment, including the company's growth prospects, innovation, and commitment to research and development. Fisher emphasizes the importance of investing in companies with the potential for long-term growth, advocating for a thorough understanding of a business before investing. He also discusses the right time to buy and sell stocks, urging investors to be patient and to avoid making decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. Fisher's approach is centered on identifying high-quality companies with strong potential for growth and holding onto these investments over the long term. The takeaway from Common Stocks and Uncommon Profits is the importance of a qualitative assessment in stock selection, focusing on the potential for sustainable growth and the value of patience and thorough research in investing. 7. The Only Investment Guide You'll Ever Need by Andrew Tobias. Andrew Tobias's The Only Investment Guide You'll Ever Need has been a reliable resource for both novice and experienced investors for decades. This book breaks down complex financial concepts into understandable terms, covering a wide range of topics from basic saving strategies to sophisticated investment options. Tobias emphasizes the importance of living within one's means, saving diligently, and avoiding debt. He offers practical advice on how to allocate investments across stocks, bonds, and other assets to build a diversified portfolio. The guide also touches on the psychological aspects of investing, warning against common pitfalls such as chasing trends or reacting emotionally to market volatility. Tobias advocates for a pragmatic approach to investing, focusing on long-term goals and the benefits of index funds for most investors. He also addresses tax implications and strategies to minimize their impact on returns. The book is a testament to the idea that successful investing doesn't require a fortune or a complex strategy, but rather a disciplined approach, a clear understanding of financial principles, and a commitment to lifelong learning. 8. The Bond King by Mary Childs. The Bond King, written by Mary Childs, explores the life and career of Bill Gross, one of the most influential figures in the bond market and the co-founder of PIMCO, one of the world's largest bond investment firms. The book delves into Gross's innovative strategies, his understanding of market dynamics, and his ability to foresee economic trends, which cemented his reputation as a legendary investor. Childs provides an intimate look at Gross's personal and professional challenges, including his high-stakes bets in the bond market, his tumultuous departure from PIMCO, and his subsequent tenure at Janus Henderson. Through this biography, readers gain insights into the complexities of the financial world, the intricacies of bond investing, and the psychological pressures faced by elite investors. The Bond King also offers valuable lessons on risk management, the importance of innovation in finance, and the impact of personality and leadership style on an investor's career. The book serves as a reminder of the volatile nature of investment markets and the blend of analytical skill, intuition, and emotional resilience required to succeed in them. 9. Reminiscences of a Stock Operator by Edwin Lefebvre. Reminiscences of a Stock Operator is a fictionalized biography that traces the life of Jesse Livermore, one of the greatest stock market traders of the early 20th century. Through the character of Livermore, Edwin Lefebvre provides a first-person account of the highs and lows of a life spent speculating in the stock and commodities markets. This classic offers timeless insights into human psychology, market dynamics, and the art of speculation. It covers Livermore's strategies for timing market moves, his discipline in cutting losses, and his ability to read the crowd's behavior to predict market trends. The book highlights the importance of emotional discipline, the dangers of overtrading, and the value of learning from one's mistakes. Lefebvre's narrative is not only a fascinating historical account, but also a manual on the psychological and tactical aspects of trading. Reminiscences of a stock operator serves as a reminder of the timeless nature of the market and the enduring relevance of its lessons on risk management, discipline, and the psychological challenges of trading. 10. The Little Book That Still Beats the Market by Joel Greenblatt. Joel Greenblatt's The Little Book That Still Beats the Market offers a compelling, accessible approach to investing that promises to help even novice investors outperform the stock market. Greenblatt, a successful fund manager and professor, distills his investing strategy into a simple formula he calls the magic formula. This strategy focuses on buying shares of good companies at bargain prices. The book breaks down complex financial concepts into understandable terms, emphasizing the importance of discipline and patience in investing. Greenblatt provides evidence to support his formula's effectiveness, using historical data and logical reasoning. Beyond the strategy itself, the book encourages a long-term perspective on investment, arguing against the speculative, short-term mindset that often dominates the financial world. It's an excellent read for anyone looking to understand the fundamentals of value investing without getting bogged down in jargon or complex mathematics. The main takeaway is that successful investing doesn't require insider information or a complicated strategy. It can be achieved by anyone willing to follow a simple, proven approach. And there you have it. I hope you found this video insightful and valuable. If you're eager for more content like this, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Your support helps us bring more videos your way. Thanks for watching.